Hello from another nudist beach in Valencia. This is Playa Lago Saler, or in Catalan, Platja de la Devesa Saler. It is a nice nudist beach with not so many people, so it is not super crowded. And there are some naked people walking along the coast, which is nice for a nudist beach, because there are not so many long nudist beaches. And this one, you can find your own inner peace here. So today is 2nd of October, 5:30 p.m. and 28 degrees Celsius approximately. So it is time to explore and take a swim here as well in this nudist beach, as I'm showing you different beaches from Valencia today. And now I'm on a strike for nudist beaches. This is the 4th in a row nudist beach, as you can see. And I think there is one more left nudist beach, and after that it's only public beaches as we get close to Valencia. So the water is super nice, a bit not so clear at this point, but also it is getting a bit darker now. I mean darker, we are approaching the sunset, so yeah. And yes, this is also like there are sand dunes over here on this beach, and it is also protected area. You cannot go into the dunes over there. So yes, there are naked people on the beach, and everyone is keeping distance of 50 to 100 meters in between. So all right, then let's take a swim here in Playa Lago Saler, or Platja de Devesa Saler, in this sand dunes and sand paradise. Let's go! That's nice. That's nice. Super nice. What a wonderful Monday to explore the beaches of Valencia. Splendid. Yes. So nudist beach, this one, and then we will have some more public beaches later on that I will show you. But yes, nice. Enjoy the view from the dunes, as we have only 2 hours left until sunset, and I have few more beaches I need to visit before I call it a day. And Valencia center is coming now closer and closer. From this point it's around 10 kilometers to the central area of Valencia. So I am at almost 30,000 steps right now, so it's gonna be interesting to see if I can break the record from yesterday, 1st of October, which was 54,000 steps. Yes, cool. That's a wrap from this nudist beach in Valencia, Playa Saler. And yes, thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.